A key idea in our chapter is that you need to carefully define and draw the boundaries around the education system that you're trying to change. In our case, we focus on vocational education and training, or VET, ecosystems. Now, our argument is that historically, VET reform efforts have failed in part because they've drawn too narrow of boundaries around the system. So they've missed out on the important connections between local, national, and international actors, as well as connections between VET schools, other education institutions, and employers and organizations in different sectors of the economy. Now, of course, any system map or diagram is just a set of assumptions subject to revision. All models are wrong and some are useful, as Jay Forrester says. So it's critical for a project to constantly test and revise its understanding of the system, the actors themselves, their relationships, and the dynamics of how they interact, and to compare a project's vision of how the future system might function with the actual reality on the ground. Now, taken together, these understandings of systems thinking have major implications for how projects are implemented. Projects need a flexible monitoring system, a culture of learning, and a team with the right mix of expertise, both in education and in systems change processes. Now, this may seem like a pipe dream, but our chapter includes a case study of one such project in Cambodia. The case study highlights the unique combination of tools used by the project team in their analysis. For example, they have two different system maps, one that highlights the relationships between employers, VET schools, and different government actors, and the other that looks at the functions, so the key regulatory and support functions needed for an effective VET system. Now, those two perspectives together really help put the pieces together and give the team the analysis they need to move forward with their systems change strategy.